Okay, so I just came home to one of the possibly biggest packages I've ever received. Check this out. Now we have the task of getting this unpacked and seeing what's inside. I think I have an idea, but I gotta change first. All right, I'm changed, I'm ready. Now it's time to unbox this bad boy and see what is exactly inside of here. So I kinda am lying to you a little bit. I do know what's inside of this box now. The only thing is that I didn't expect it to be this big. Let's get into it. Dude, this is so sick. Oh my God. Yo, shout out to whoever packed this, because this is by far the best packing I've ever seen in my life. Dude, let's just get this thing out. Oh my God. This thing is massive, dude. So if you guys don't know by now, Juvee actually sent this out to me as a gift for making content for them. It is a juvee fridge. Now, as much as I would have liked it to be filled with juvee, I already have a couple, so we're gonna load this thing up, get it locked and loaded. And yeah, man, shout out to the Juvee team for sending this out. Let me know in the comments down below if you think we should get a sponsorship, because that's the next goal. Obviously, just to have a creator code would be a blessing. So let me see those Jedi Birdos in the comments down below and let them know. Let's tag them. All right, so I do have a little bit of a side note. So if you guys know anything about me and the fact that I drink and enjoy juvee on a daily basis since it got released, you would obviously know that when these first came out, they were about half of the size and they were only sent out to creators. Now I reached out to Sam, who is the, I guess he's not the owner, but he's the general manager of Juvee and he runs their operations. I was able to meet him, hang out with him, and even try some exclusive flavors that you guys already know of by now. But when I asked him about it, he said they are exclusively just for their own creators, and I even asked him if I could possibly buy one. Now, to come full circle and actually get one of these shipped out is more than just a dream come true. And obviously as a creator, we want to show support and be supported at the same time. So shout out to the Juvee team for sending this out. Thank you guys for so much you guys do for the community. I hope you guys enjoy the content that I put out. You know, it just goes to show how much you guys actually care. So from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you to the community who shows nothing but support to me in the content that I create. And let's get this bad boy filled up. All right, so we got everything kind of squared away. I actually ended up redoing my entire room, if you can see behind me. We'll do a quick tour later, but the whole point of this is I put my fridge close to my desk, my new Juvee fridge, and then I put my old one here, which is kind of in the background of the stream, kind of blocked out by my, still don't know what we're gonna do with it or if we're even gonna keep it, but let me know what you guys think about this placement.